Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place a stop loss on Binance. This is also how to set a stop limit order on Binance, which is the term Binance uses for a stop loss. So what is a stop loss? A stop loss, also called a stop order or stop loss order, is a type of trade you set up in advance. It automatically sells your crypto if the price drops to a certain level, helping you limit your losses. Now, it's important to understand the difference between a sell limit order and a stop limit order. They are two completely different things. Let me give you an example. Let's say Bitcoin is currently trading at 105k. If I place a sell limit order at 95k, it will actually execute immediately because 105k is a better price than 95k. A limit order just tries to sell at your price or better, and right now the market is already above 95k, so it fills instantly. But a stop limit order works very differently. It's best to break it down into two parts. The stop price, this is the trigger, and the limit price, this is the actual sell order that gets placed. So here's how it works. The stop price is a trigger price. Your limit order won't even exist on Binance until that stop price is reached. This is different from a regular limit order, which is placed on the order book straight away. So let's go over an example using Binance's spot trading screen. So first, make sure your order type is set to stop limit, which you can set down here. So I'm on the BTC USDT pair. Recently, Bitcoin has been bouncing between 100k and 110k. And right now it's trading at around 105k. Hypothetically, I might have a theory that if Bitcoin drops below 100k, it could continue dropping to, say, 95k or 90k or even lower. So I want to set up a stop loss using a stop limit order. So I'll set the stop price here to 100k. That's my trigger. Then I'll set the limit price to 97,000, just below it. This gives Binance a bit of wiggle room to place the limit order if the market drops quickly. Next, I'll choose to sell all my BTC and confirm the order by pressing sell BTC and confirm the order. That order will now sit in the open orders tab. And here's what will happen. If the price hits 100k, Binance will create a limit sell order at 97k. If the market stays above 97k, your order will likely get filled. But here's the catch. If the price crashes really fast and drops below 97k before your limit order fills, it won't sell until the price comes back up to 97k again. This is the risk with a stop limit order. They give you control, but they're not guaranteed to execute in fast moving markets. By contrast, if you just used a limit order at 100k, it would have already sold because we're currently at 105k. But with a stop limit, your limit order only triggers after your stop price is hit. So anyway, that is how to place a stop loss on Binance. If you want more Binance tutorials, then check out my Binance playlist. If you got any value from this video, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're new to crypto, you might be wondering what a smart contract is. So I recommend checking out this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.